Are you tired of feeling like money is always out of reach? What if I told you it's not your income but your mindset that's holding you back? Hey everyone, I'm Emma, your mindset mentor and coach, and welcome back to the Wealth Mindset channel. If you're ready to break free from scarcity thinking and unlock abundance, hit that subscribe button right now and join the Wealth Mindset family. Stick around, grab a notebook because what you're about to learn could be the most valuable investment you ever make. Identifying where your money beliefs come from in today's journey, we're diving deep into where our money beliefs originate. Understanding the root of our mindset is the first step to financial freedom. This is James, a 32-year-old teacher who earns enough, but still feels like he's barely surviving. His bank account is stable, but emotionally, he feels stuck in financial fear. Many of our beliefs about money are shaped in childhood, even before we start earning. What we saw, heard, or felt growing up sets a template we may not even be aware of. Culture, family, and society all influence how we think about money. From money doesn't grow on trees to you have to work hard to earn every cent, these ideas shape our financial future. Feelings of guilt or shame can quietly dictate how we manage our finances. These emotions often go unnoticed but control our actions from the shadows. Take a moment to ask yourself, what belief about money did I absorb as a child? This simple question can reveal the unconscious story you've been living for years. Replacing scarcity thinking with abundance thinking. In this part, we'll uncover how shifting your thinking can unlock new opportunities. It all begins with recognizing when scarcity thinking is silently guiding your decisions. Meet Lisa, a passionate small business owner who feels buried by debt and constantly worries there's never enough. Though she works hard, her mind is stuck in fear and lack. A scarcity mindset shows up as fear of spending, hoarding, and constantly doubting your financial choices. It convinces you that security comes only from holding tight, not trusting your own power to create wealth. Abundance isn't about reckless spending, it's about believing that wealth is something you can generate and grow. It's trusting that opportunities are infinite, not limited. Lisa began shifting her mindset by practicing daily gratitude for what she had. She started journaling 3 things every day she appreciated about her finances, even if small. You can rewire your brain using simple affirmations like money flows to me easily and I trust abundance. Try ending your day by writing one thing you received that day, no matter how small. Changing the way you talk about money. Words shape the way we see money, and how we speak about it can create either abundance or limitation. In this part, we'll explore how powerful your language really is. This is Derek, a man who constantly says, "I'll never afford that," even for things he deeply desires. That single phrase becomes a wall that keeps him from even trying. The phrases we say repeatedly become instructions to our brain. "I can't afford it" tells your mind to stop looking for solutions, while "how can I afford it" activates creativity. We all carry money scripts, unconscious beliefs formed through repeated phrases heard from family, culture, or past experience. These scripts run in the background and silently shape our financial reality. You can reprogram your language with daily phrases like "money comes to me with ease" or "I deserve to be financially free." Practice rewording your old phrases into ones that support your goals. Here's a challenge. Take 5 minutes each day to speak positive money affirmations out loud. Catch yourself using limiting phrases, and flip the script as often as you can. Seeing wealth before you have it. In this part, we explore how visualizing success can actually bring it closer. When you can see your financial goals clearly in your mind, you begin to take action with confidence. Meet Maria, who was unemployed and uncertain about her future, but dared to dream by creating a vision board. Today, she runs a successful online business built from the images she once imagined. Visualization activates the reticular activating system (RAS), a part of the brain that filters what you notice. When you imagine your financial goals clearly, your brain starts seeking ways to make them real. To make your own vision board, start by finding images that match your ideal lifestyle, like the home you want, the work you love, or the freedom you crave. The key is to choose images that make you feel inspired, not pressured. Mental rehearsal, or scripting, is a tool where you write out or imagine your day as if your goals are already achieved. The more real it feels in your mind, the more motivated you become to take action. Try this. Close your eyes and imagine your perfect day if money was no longer a worry. What do you see, hear, feel, and do when you are completely free financially? Wealth begins with gratitude. In this section, we'll explore how gratitude isn't just about feeling good, it's a powerful mental shift. Gratitude activates abundance by teaching your brain to focus on what's working. Meet Kelvin, a hardworking college student who constantly stresses over bills and barely makes ends meet. He feels like he's drowning, even though he's doing everything he can. Gratitude helps improve emotional health and clears space for new possibilities. When you stop focusing only on lack, you begin to recognize small wins you may have overlooked. Try keeping a gratitude journal focused only on money-related blessings, no matter how small. Did someone buy you coffee? Did you get a discount today? Write it down. Calvin's mindset shifted from comparing himself to others to appreciating his own progress. That mindset shift helped him attract a part-time job and build confidence. Before you sleep tonight, try writing down 3 things you're financially grateful for today. The law of appreciation states, what you appreciate, appreciates. Building financial habits that support abundance. True wealth doesn't come from one big decision, it's built on small daily actions. In this part, we'll explore how consistent habits lead to long-term abundance. Alyssa used to spend money impulsively whenever she felt stressed or bored. But by building simple habits, she learned to control her spending and feel more in control of her financial future. Small habits, like checking your expenses or writing down purchases, create clarity over time. They're the building blocks of a secure financial life. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Tools like envelopes, digital logs, or calendars can help you track without judgment. Pairing your money habits with a reward like sipping your morning coffee while reviewing your spending makes them easier to stick with. This is called habit stacking, and it turns discipline into enjoyment. What's one financial habit that works for you? Share it in the comments. We learn best when we learn from each other. Your environment shapes your money mindset. The people around you shape how you think, act, and feel about money more than you realize. Your environment can either uplift or limit your financial growth. Meet Brandon. He spent years surrounded by friends who constantly complained about bills, jobs, and how money was always tight, and it slowly shaped his beliefs too. Your social circle reflects your beliefs. If people around you fear or hate money, that mindset can become yours too. But when you're around people who talk growth and opportunity, your mind expands. Curate your feed. Fill your social media with mentors, creators, and educators who inspire financial growth. It may seem small, but daily influence adds up over time. Boundaries are essential. Sometimes you need to limit conversations or relationships that trigger scarcity thinking. You're not being rude. You're protecting your financial mindset. Who in your life helps you think bigger and dream smarter about money? Reflect and share. Your mindset is worth defending. Changing your relationship with money starts with changing your thoughts. From understanding your beliefs, shifting your mindset, changing your language, to forming new habits, you now have the tools to unlock your wealth potential. You have what it takes to transform your financial life, and it starts one thought at a time. You are more powerful than your limitations. If this video helped shift your perspective, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Every click supports this journey toward financial freedom. We want to hear from you. What's one step you're going to take today to improve your money mindset? Let's talk about it in the comments. This is Emma from Wealth Mindset, reminding you of this. The power of a wealthy mindset can change your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay empowered, stay focused, and remember, abundance is already within you.